So what happens if you eat an apple seed? Some seeds can be a delicious addition to your diet, like pomegranate or sunflower seeds. Have you ever wondered about apple seeds? While some seeds are safe to eat, apple seeds can be dangerous. My thanks to Kelsey Opal for her informative article which inspired this video. See the article at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a plant compound that can have a toxic effect. Amygdalin is harmless when it's attached to the apple, but if it's chewed or broken open, it can have consequences. After you eat an apple seed, amygdalin converts to cyanide poisoning in your body. Some mild symptoms include headaches, dizziness, and anxiety. More serious symptoms can include high blood pressure and a coma. Good news is that you shouldn't experience any dangerous symptoms unless you decide to eat a whole lot of apple seeds. Swallowing one on accident here or there shouldn't give you cyanide poisoning. It would take an estimated 85 apple seeds to make you sick. Cherry pits, apricots, and peaches also contain amygdalin. To avoid these seeds, carefully slice your fruit and remove the seeds. You should consider using an apple corer to stay clear of apple seeds. Are you curious what will happen if you swallow a watermelon seed? The answer might surprise you. They're actually good for you. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.